You know how you do this?
You want to know what Master Wu's going to tell us?
Yeah.
It's going to be all like, hey, Solar Man, guess what?
What?
Guess what, Solar Man? I got new friends for you. You want new friends?
Yeah.
Do you actually? Then now presenting... We got Lloyd! What? Don't open it yet. We got Lloyd, and then we got Kai! Ah! And then we got this Jay!
Wait, I got my OJ and I washed the pieces for him.
Well, you don't have to tell everyone.
No. Listen, what?
What the? So your parents had to go out and buy you another J?
Yeah, because I washed all these pieces.
Show them. Lost all those pieces. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
Let's open it now.
You want to open it? Okay, here. Let's see if I'm correct. Yeah, look. So there's these little sticky tabs. Get your parents to cut them off. Then this part comes up just like that.
Oh.
Okay. So Master Wu is going to stand there.
Watch this, Mom. I'm going to open the whole thing.
You're going to open the whole thing.
Watch this now, Mom.
Oh,
Watch this. You can get whatever thing you want to, Mom. Look
are you
it.
kidding me? Whoa, look at all the cool Ninjago stuff that you could get. So, you get, let's look at it. Let's look at the Lego instructions while Solar Man tears it open. So you get 2 J's. You get a Digi J and then an Avatar J. Uh-oh, find those pieces. Digi J.
Watch this, Mom.
So I get to do Kai,
Yeah, and I can do that.
and you get to do Lloyd.
Lloyd.
How do you say Lloyd? Lloyd. How do you say Lloyd? Do you go Lloyd or do you call him Lloyd?
I call him Lloyd.
You call him Lloyd.
What's this one? You see these? You see these? Mom, you see these? You put these, watch me. Put this one in here, and then put this one in here.
That's where they go.
Yes.
No way.
Actually, I got one. It
Oh.
goes-
How do you get it right? to my arcade.
Look, I'm doing okay. Can I show some now?
Sure, you go ahead. You show us all the things you want to show us.
Take this off a second.
Take it off then.
No, the stem.
Bam. Oops, 1 second.
Now watch this.
Give me 2 seconds. You go bam. And bam.
Shut it now. Shut the doors. Shut the houses. Take the 2 guys off. Take the 3 guys off. This. And then like this. His hands down. And then like this. And then like this. Like this. Let me see how I'm doing it.
I see how you're doing it, man.
You can do whatever you want to with you. This is how. Watch this. I watched the commercial. You can do this with it. And two. You can do whatever you want to. Look at Mom. This is how you do it, Mom. And then put this one on top of here. If you want to. And then put this one on top of here if you want to. And then put this one if you want to. Did you see that?
I do. Look, did you mix them up?
I know.
You know you got them all. And look, then it goes.
What?
Ninja, go! And then Ninja, go! You put them right in front of the guys.
Yeah. And then Master Wu just comes. His brother trying to ban Mr. Wu. And he got
Does
him.
Lord Ramadan have a hat?